Hello, you are welcome. My name is Dr. Kingsley. In this class, I want to be taking us conversion from mass or mole to volume. How we can convert from mass or mole to volume, or how we can convert from volume to mass or mole. That is vice versa. Now, if we want to do this, we need to know the relationship between mass, mole, and the volume. Okay, when we talk about volume, we are talking about gases. So we need to know that 1 mole of a gas, 1 mole of a gas is equals to the molar mass of the gas. Okay, 1 mole of a gas is also equals to the molar mass of the gas, and is equals to what? 6.022 times 10 raised power 23, okay, times 10 raised power 23, okay, atoms, if you like, particles. Okay, this is also equals to, okay, 22.4 dm cube of the gas. So always remember this relationship. 1 mole of a gas is equals to the molar mass of the gas, which is equals to 6.022 times 10 raised to 23 particles, which is atom in this case, which is also equals to 22.4 dm cube. Now, if you remember this, you'll be able to make relationship between mass, mole, and the volume. So we'll be taking questions from. So question 1, okay, says the volume of 2.5 moles of oxygen at STP is dash. This question is taken from JAMB, that is a UTME 2006, question 32. We are looking for the volume of what? Oxygen, and we are given the what? The number of moles. So how do we relate? We know that what? 1 mole of oxygen gas occupies 22.4 dm cube, right? So then the 2.5 mole that is given from the equation, okay, of oxygen, what will it occupy? Which volume? Take it to be x, so that our x becomes, okay, equals to 2.5 multiplied by 22.4, okay, divided by, okay, 1. So our x, okay, in this case now, if you multiply, you'll be having 56.0, okay, 56.0 dm cube. So that is the answer. So we'll take question 2 now. Question 2 is taken from JAMB 2007, question 26. So the question says, calculate the mass of chlorine gas which occupies a volume of 1.12 dm cube at STP. Now we are looking for what? The mass, and we are given in this time the volume. Now, how do we relate mass to volume? We know that what? 22.4 dm cube of any gas is equals to molar mass of the gas, okay, because molar mass of any gas is 1 mole of the gas. So remember, 22.4 dm cube of any gas will represent 1 mole of the gas, and 1 mole of any gas can be taken to be the what? The molar mass of the gas. So if 22.4 dm cube of chlorine gas is the molar mass of chlorine gas, the molar mass of chlorine gas is 71 gram, okay, per mole. Remember, the molar mass of chlorine is not at 5.5, because chlorine is written as Cl2, so it's 35.5 multiplied by 2, that will give us 71 gram per mole. That is the molar mass. So if 22.4 dm cube of chlorine is 71 gram per mole, then the what? The 1.2 2 dm cube of chlorine gas. What will it give us? Take it to the x. Okay, molar mass will give us 22.4. Then the mass, the volume that is given will give us which mass. So our x will become equals to 1.12 times 71 over 22.4, okay, dm cube. That will give us 0.05 mole as the answer. So that is the answer. Now we'll go to question 3. If you have followed me this far, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now you need to do that so that you keep on getting, okay, alerts on my, okay, videos, so that you'll be following the lesson properly. Now you see, calculate the volume of oxygen in 3.011 times 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen at what? At STP. We are looking for the volume, okay, of oxygen. Now we know that what? That 1 mole of oxygen is equals to 22.4 dm cube of oxygen, okay, which is also 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen. Okay, that is the relationship that we can make. Okay, that is to say that what? This is equals to this 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen will be equals to 22.4 dm cube. So we are looking for the amount in this particle. If this is equals to 22.4 dm cube, then 3.011 times 10 raised to power 23 atoms of oxygen, what will it become? That is what the equation is giving us. So let us take it to the x. So x will be equals to 3.011 times 22.4 dm cube, then divided by 6.022 times 10 raised to power 23. Okay, so if you do the calculation, you'll be getting 11.2 dm cube as your answer. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share my video. Thank you.